everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you for supporting my channel. Today we will learn how to make a single crochet. Before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Let's get started. So we are using here a t-shirt yarn, a 6mm hook and a pair of scissors. So we will start here with a slip knot. So doing our slip knot, we will grab the yarn like this into the hook and pull it through the loop. We have our first slip knot. Now we will make 10 chain. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Here we have our 10 chain. Now we will do our first single crochet. Before we will do first single crochet, we will make a extra chain stitch and we will count this chain, extra chain, as our first single crochet stitch. Now we will skip this chain and put the hook through the second chain. Grab the yarn behind here, pull it through the chain, and now we have 2 loops on our hook, 2 loops in our hook. Now we will grab the yarn behind here and pull it through the 2 loops, and we have make our first single crochet. Once again, put the hook through the chain, grab the yarn behind here, pull it through the loop. We have 2 loops in our hook. Grab the yarn behind here and pull it through the 2 loops, and we have our second single crochet. And we will do the same process till the end here, through the whole row. Here we have finished our total 10 single crochet stitch. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So here we have completed our single crochet stitch. Thank you for watching, and before say goodbye, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye.